Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video is a surprise on changing out a T6 Circline Bulb. So before we get started, please remember and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to be notified new videos. And if you like my video, please help me out for thumbs up as well too. Thanks in advance. As you can see, we're having some issues with the light. It doesn't really go all the way to this brightness and it's very dim. So this is a Circline bulb. I know this because I have this bulb on 3 different rooms as well too. So T6 Circline, this one's from TCP, 130 watt equivalent, 2200 lumens, and 32 watt. That's the power it's using for this fluorescent amount. But it gives you 2200. That's correct. It's really bright for the energy. 10,000 hours, non-dimmable. Keep that in mind, it's not dimmable, and the brightness is still 2,200. I'm not sure the energy cost estimated is correct, but you could take that with a grain of salt unless you have 11 cents per kilowatt hour. Once again, 32 watt compact fluorescent. The output is 130 watt incandescent light. So that's pretty good in this one in particular. And this one, we're replacing only the bulb part. We're going to recycle the middle piece, and this was have a life based on 3-hour usage of 9.1 years. That's pretty good because this one does last pretty long. And yes, it also contains mercury, so please recycle. And we don't want to get that into our water and etc. because you don't want to drink water with mercury, etc. Right? Please recycle these products with your recycling company or garbage company. 10,000 hours. If you do 3 hours, all right, a day, you can get about 9 hours of usage. And honestly saying, this is the first time we're replacing this one since I got my place, and I lived here for over 10 years, in fact. So that's tell you a little bit of longevity. So make sure you turn off the power, and I guess this one you twist in a certain direction and it opens up. So when you open it up, this looks kind of weird, right? Yeah, that's how these bulbs look like. And what you need to do is gently pull at an angle, and this thing comes out just like that. So notice that pull and angle, there's 2 latches there, one here and one here. So make note of that. So you don't want to break those latches. So like I said before, only the bulb is included. I didn't buy the whole package all again. So you need to remove the plug over here. Remove this piece as well. And this one. They're going to put a new one. So I like to orientate both of them right next to each other. The bad one, you can see, and the good one. And you want to plug this thing first. So you make sure you have enough slack and push this back here. And that's how you change the bulb over here, with saving all the connector and everything like that in the middle. All right, now you have to align with the latches that I mentioned earlier and push it in. That's all you need to do. Very simple process to do if you know what you're doing. And I know a lot of homes still have this, especially in my area. So it's nice and bright. All right, simple as that, just to test it out. Now I'm going to put the cover back on. So make sure the cover doesn't fall off. You might want to clean the cover if it's dirty before you put it back on. So in my case, you have to twist it that orientation for it to work. So yeah, that's the light, and there's a simple process to replace it. So T6 Circline Bulb. Hope this video helps you out. Your question, please share below. And I see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.